Don't hurry. We're running by the pool.
Here we are with the scene where Elizabeth is going to meet the goats. Varani takes care of the goats, is the goat farmer, and they're digging in a camera over there to catch the goats. See here from another angle. They're going to dig that camera in and wait for the goats to run by.
Put some battery on it. Ever had poison oak?
So here we are with Ted, the director, and Varani, the goat farmer, and Joel, the assistant director. And here's some of the girls that will be extras in the film. Here we are with Ted consulting with Elizabeth on what's going to happen in the next scene. Here's Brian McSweeney acting like a hick, and he's one of the grips on the crew here.
Tea party.
Here they are setting up one of the cameras on a little slider so that they can capture the goats and David Eby and Elizabeth as they're playing with the goats and talking to Varani.
Brian, so what is a good position? Is it where Ted is or where the girls are behind?
And this is Haley. She's helping out the sound department, and she's been staying at Ananda for about a month now.
Do the defensive maneuvers.
Here's the makeup artist and the sound man goofing around behind the scenes.
It's all in good fun until someone drops their equipment.
Yeah, until all the contacts go landing on the ground. This is a beautiful thing. I'll take care of that.
Wait, we have a third. Where's our third?
I'm here.
Okay, here they are. The director of photography is set up in that kind of dug-in position. Varani just yelled Yogoda, and that's the cue for the goats to come in for dinner. But they're actually not going to get dinner, they're going to get film. And it's taken them a while to scamper down the hill. Varani's going to yell Yogoda a couple more times to get them moving. Everybody's wondering where in the heck the goats are, but you can hear the bells, and here they come now. What a shot. Herding goats. There's the donkey that helps protect the goats from the coyotes and mountain lions. Okay, now they're shooting. You can see Varani, Elizabeth, and David Eby out there playing with the goats and meeting them on a one-to-one basis. Here we are from another angle. They seem to shoot everything from about 4 different angles. It'll be interesting to see how all this is edited together. And there's a lot of people here in the way. There's the camera, there's the director of photography, Andy, the boom operator. They just called action. And now
Have you always been a goat herder?
they're having a conversation, Elizabeth and Varani, about the goats. And
How did this happen?
there's a big reflector in the background to knock down the amount of light coming onto the scene so that everybody's not blown out looking by the sun. I guess it's not a reflector, it's a filter.
Doesn't anybody feed goats from the land? Someone should be doing it in a self-sustaining way. So I found out there was a place in New Mexico where they do it, where they eat from the wild, and that's where I learned how to do it.
Great. And here's another take.
Liz again.
Oh! That was awesome.
Oh, there's a lot of the pecking order stuff going on.
I can see that. So were you assigned to this job or did you choose it?
No, it was just something I felt inspired to do. And it's actually the best way to go about a job because then you go for that guidance. And I've never done anything like this before, and I've never been happier in my life.
That's amazing.
Ronnie's the
So
most
is this a part of
one
the
of the most
sustainability
hardworking
of this
and
community?
enthusiastic
Do you
person
feed everybody
I
here,
ever met. She
or
takes
is it-
care
Well,
of this
not everybody
whole
wants milk.
herd, and
Some
she's
people want
been
the
doing
cow
it
milk.
for
The
several
people
years,
who
trying
are
to
getting the
build
goat
the
milk
business
are
up.
getting milk that is from our land. Because these guys are eating the blackberry bushes, they're eating the star thistle. They're eating from our land, and it's an incredible health value when you get it.
Wow. We know who the big goat around town is.
Yes.
So